In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave ClickUp Workspace. Before we begin, a quick note on what a workspace is. In ClickUp, a workspace is the top-level home for your teams, projects, and data. If you're part of multiple organizations, you may see several workspaces tied to your account. Today, we'll walk through how to open your account, head into Settings, choose the right workspace, and remove it by using the Delete Workspace option. Start by opening your ClickUp account in your browser or desktop app and signing in. Once you're in, look toward the top or bottom corner for your profile. This is usually your avatar or initials. Click your profile to open the user menu. From here, select Settings. The Settings area is where you control personal preferences as well as organization level options, so we'll use it to manage your workspaces. Inside Settings, find and click the Workspace section. This page lists any workspaces you are part of, often showing the name and icon so you can tell them apart. Take a moment to identify the workspace you want to leave. Double check the name carefully, especially if you're part of multiple teams with similar titles. It's a good idea to confirm you're looking at the correct one by reviewing the icon or any unique identifiers your org uses. When you've identified the correct workspace, you'll see options related to it. Here, click on Delete Workspace. This is a serious action, so pause and make sure you truly want to proceed. Deleting a workspace removes the entire workspace and its content for everyone, not just you. In most cases, only owners or admins can do this. If your goal is simply to remove yourself from a workspace without impacting others, look for an option to leave that workspace instead. But if deleting is exactly what you intend, go ahead and choose Delete Workspace. ClickUp will typically ask you to confirm your choice, sometimes by typing the workspace name or confirming with a final prompt. Read the confirmation carefully and proceed only if you're certain. Consider exporting or backing up any critical information before finalizing, as deletion is permanent and cannot be undone. That's it. You opened your account, clicked your profile, went into Settings, selected Workspace, identified the correct one, and used Delete Workspace. Take a moment afterward to verify you're no longer in that workspace and that your remaining workspaces are intact. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your ClickUp environment with confidence.